Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. With me Arghun Mahathi, nutritionist, fitness trainer and a life coach. And today I am going to give you a routine how you should start your running as a beginner and after taking a break as an athlete. So keep watching this video till the end, and before jumping to the topic, don't forget to subscribe this channel and also click the bell icon next to it. So let's get started. So to give you the routine, some of the basic things that you need to know and there you have to be aware of. So there are three things that I am going to mention before give you the routines. So first, you must do warm up exercises before start any running and all. Okay, so where you have to do 3 to 5 minutes of cardio exercises, whatever it is. I mean, just to warm your body, like you can do any sort of jumping ropes, uh, bit of running, okay, slow jogging and all, but for 3 to 5 minutes just to warm up your body, and mainly start your heart working or cardio walking bit faster, circulate the blood throughout the body, so then we cannot get injured, and also our working muscles can get that efficient sufficient oxygen and nutrients as it requires to contraction. Okay, so that is very much required. So before start any sort of running, you must do warm up. Okay, there you have to do 3 to 5 minutes of jogging, or jumping ropes, like that. And just to warm up, you have to understand your body is warm, and thereafter you have to do some of pre-workout stretching. Okay, number one. Number two, after workout you have to must follow up that post-workout uh, stretchings to cool down your body. Okay, and it means you have to bring back to your body into a normal position where it was before start your work. Okay, I mean your workout. Number three, the most important thing is number three. Here you have to know whatever the things you are doing, you are running, you are doing any sort of exercises. Okay, how your body responding to it. Definitely you can understand, you are not, I mean, you get fatigue quickly, and also you are not, I mean, you have any issue actually with your breathing. Okay, you can't take it properly. Okay, and you can't consume that enough oxygen that is required. So any sort of ways our body start placing the instruction towards us, so then we have to understand whether this body is very much efficient to cope up with this external pressure that we are creating throughout doing this sort of exercises, and or not. Okay, so when you feel that our body is not permitting to do this kind of exercises or this in this intensity, you must stop or keep yourself within that range. Okay, you should not exceed yourself out of that. Clear? So these are the three foundational things that you have to must follow up when you are maintain a running regime. Okay, so now for the beginners I am going to give 3 weeks running plan. Okay, in first week you have to start walking for 20 minutes for 3 days in a week. Okay, like you are you are doing it on Monday, so must give a rest for recovery on Tuesday. Thereafter you again start following the similar routine from Wednesday. Okay, so 3 days in a week, but that should be non-consecutive days. Okay, and there you have to do 20 minutes of walking. Okay, now here's the point is, if you can't walk for 20 minutes, okay, how long you can walk? After that your body needs a rest, you can't walk further, you cannot maintain yourself in a continuous walking for 20 minutes. So there you can take a rest. Okay, no issue. Then again 1 minute rest or 1.5 minute rest, then again you start walking. Okay, by this way you try to adjust that continuous 20 minutes of walking. Okay, then second week you have to do your running and walking both in a combined way for 20 minutes. Okay, it means you have to start walking for 5 minutes, then 5 minute running, then again you have to start walking for 5 minutes, then 5 minutes running. So this is the way you have to complete your 20-minute schedule. Okay, now again here I am saying, if you don't manage yourself to continue this program, 5 minutes walking, 5 minutes running, 5 minutes walking, 5 minutes running, to complete this 20-minute schedule, so definitely you can take rest. There you can take 1 minute rest, 1.5 minute rest, again you can start. And but in this time you should not stop yourself. When you need some rest, try to walk, but don't stand in somewhere or don't sit. Okay, try to walk, maybe in a less speed, it's all right, but you should move on. Okay, because already you have completed the first week where you have already completed 20 minutes continuous running, continuous walking. Okay, so here you have to go bit in advance, and there definitely you take rest, but during the resting time, if you need rest during the resting time, you must walk. Maybe it's a less speed, that is also fine, but you must walk, don't stop yourself. Okay, now third week, here you have to do 20 minutes of continuous running. Definitely that should be slow jogging, and as much as you can maintain your intensity, or you can escalate that speed. Okay, but here the main thing is that if you also it's not possible for you to manage yourself for continuous 20 minutes of running, so there you can also take rest, but there that rest should be maximum you can say 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so not more than that, and that should be also with slow jogging, or you can alter this with walking. It means not very slow walking, also not very fast walking, moderate one. Okay, and also it's possible for you to adjust yourself with the fast walking, so you can go with that, there is no issue, but that should not be that slow walking. Okay, because you have already crossed that 2-week session, so this time you have to come out with bit advanced way, isn't it? So these are the 3-week schedule for beginners. Okay, and after this you have to adjust how well you fit enough to go for advanced routine according to your need and requirement. And I am not present with you, so I can't tell you that how what you require and all. Okay, so in distantly how much is possible to guide you, so that I am doing, and this routine definitely will help you if you are you are starting as a beginner. Okay, now for the athletes, those have already done their already they are experienced, they used to do that sort of exercises and follow up those sort of schedules. So here I am going to give two suggestions for athletes after a break, how they should start their routine. So for athletes, those are off from their exercises and all for 1 month, and thereafter they are going to start their routine. So they must follow up with uh, from the second week schedule that I have mentioned for beginners. Okay, from the second week schedule, it means you have to work out. I mean, you have to run and you have to combine the run and walk for 20 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, and also additionally you have to do warm up and cool down exercises, and also with all of this you have to follow up the responses from your body, how it's cope up with this kind of exercises that you are doing. Okay, and then you have to follow up the third week plan for the beginners. There they have to run for 20 minutes continuous way, and you have to do it in a similar way also. Clear? Now on the other side, those are the athletes after they have got 2 weeks off or 1 week off, they again going to start their schedule. So there they should start with the third week plan of the beginners. There definitely, as we know, 20 minutes continuous running. Okay, and also which will be followed up by the warm up and cool down exercises, and also you have to be aware of how your body is cope up with that. Okay, and also this all you have to do in 3 days in a week, which should be non-consecutive days. Okay, so definitely after this, those are the athletes, they knows what about their goals and how they have to train for that. So you can then start doing that sort of advanced exercises and activity in your daily schedule that can reach your target, your so I mean your success in your professional, or sort of fields. Okay, so then you have to adjust. But at the so what I have just mentioned here, that's all about after a break, how as an athlete you should start your running. Okay, so this is the routine that I have just mentioned to you. Definitely this will be helpful for you, so please do follow up this routine, and if you get any sort of issues, please let me know by commenting below. But here one thing is very important. As a beginners, if you start doing running, so there if you don't have any sort of health issues, so it's okay. But if you have any sort of health issues, basically if you have any asthmatic issue, if you have any heart issue, okay, or any sort of issues, you must take a health checkup before start any running schedule. Okay, so that's all for now. And I have a rectification on my last video on yogurt. I said lactic acid burns the fat, that will be amino acid present in yogurt that is burn the fat. So unfortunately I made it wrong over there unknowingly, and I made a mistake. So it happens sometimes, so not an issue. But amino acid that helps to burn our fat if we take yogurt. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please do comment me by commenting below, and also don't forget to share it with your friends and families. So till the next one, stand in fear with confidence. Goodbye.